tried that exercise that has been posted at the Moodle, just finding the some mean, median, standard deviation of the variable, the object I have given? Have you faced any difficulty, problem, issues? Have you tried that? No. Why silence? You can unmute your mic, Ramakrishna. Hi.
Sorry. um, the due date was not till 2 days, so I thought we could work it out later. So
Okay. So I was waiting for the last date. Huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you have any questions or if you faced any trouble and difficulties in executing the script, no, let me know. We will have a clarification session today, and we will get into the data frames, exporting data, importing data, and analyzing as it is what you say, long waiting, visualizing data, and all we will see. Okay. No questions, no errors, no warning message while practicing R.
sir, I had noticed one thing in the last exercise given
Hmm.
to extract it to a CSV file.
Okay.
It automatically creates a um, serial number column. There are two columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that.
Okay. Which file you are telling?
The CSV file we created with the cricketers data.
Okay.
Um, it has two columns.
Hmm.
One was uh, the two columns are dedicated to the serial numbers. One was automatically created after exporting, I guess.
Okay. 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 You share that file and the data. What you say, the code that you have sent. Okay. That the code you have you wrote and you share that file. Okay. It's
Sure,
because
sir.
we have created CSV files. Okay, it's a comma separated values. Okay, it is one where it is a format where we can take export from, how to say, the Excel file, which is used for what we call it as the structured data. No, it's a structured data. The values have been separated in a comma value, and there are certain files it can be exported, like for particularly for the statistical analysis. No, the CSV files are acceptable, and tab delimited files are in some other applications. No, it will support the tab delimited. So, okay, if you go to what you say Excel, if you go to file and export as, if you give export as, no, it will be showing many options where the CSV tab delimited, which will with these files, type of files will support for the statistical and data analysis purpose. No need to download the whole Excel file, it will get confused. And you see, in some Excel files, no, we will be using the formulas. If we download that, no, even the formulas will also be in the memory, which will disturb. But we don't want those formulas and all. We want only the values from the cells. Okay, so that is why it's a comma separated values. It will take only the values that has been the result of that particular formula. Okay, you can use this class to practice what you say, the practice those thing. I was expecting you to, what you say, uh, if you face any errors or any warning messages, no, you take a screenshot, a snapshot, and upload it over there in the Moodle. Okay, then we will discuss it over here. Okay, so today you go and do all these exercises. From the next class, at least you try to have some what you say, build a data set, data frame to analyze. We will go with working with Excel files, how to import and what we can do with the Excel file in, or how we will analyze visualization, everything we will do. Okay, then go stick to the your research work and start collecting data. Okay, if you have any questions you can ask, or else you go and practice the value today. We will meet in the next class for the presentation. What, Srividya, any questions?
No, sir.
No, clear, everything clear. Then that is our studio. Okay, yeah, I don't want to execute now because I have created a file. Yeah, Ramdev.
I don't know which one I am sharing. Just a minute, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Sir, I will just send it to you later, sir. I can't share the image. It's an image.
Okay.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, just take a screenshot, snap, and you just share it to me. And if it is
Sure.
okay, if you are sharing it here now, it will be discussed over here where others will also get benefit out of it. That's what. That is the reason. Otherwise, you will put it there, we will make it as a common forum. Okay, go practice this. The next, we will meet in the next class for that, what you say. Again, the data frames, Excel files, writing, how importing the data files. Okay, and for today, in our studio, no, whenever you're working on the file, I have said this before, but I don't know how many of you remember this or not. The work directory. Okay, for example, your just a minute. For example, this is like yeah, this is like uh, okay. First, you see the session. There is this option. It's not visible here. Okay, in that session, set your working directory. Choose your directory. Okay, it is not shown here. It is not showing. Okay, in the top menu, no, in your R Studio, file, edit, code, view, plot session, no, in that session, go to set working directory and select choose directory and select the place where you are working. That means whatever the data that your object that you're creating and the data that you are exporting, no, will get stored in that particular directory, what you call it as folder. Okay, and whatever data, if you want to recall or import, no, you have to copy that particular directory. Then if you write code here, it will automatically downloads the imports the data. Okay, that's what I want to tell, but it is not visible here. Okay, telling about the session. See, you can see the cursor moving, but you can't see. Wait. Percent. Yeah, now I think it will be visible.
No, sir.
Is it? Now what is on the screen?
Nothing is shared.
Nothing is shared. Wait. Window screen. Yeah. Thing is shared. Wait. Yeah. What is visible now? What is there on the screen?
Sir, RStudio.
RStudio. Is it? Yeah. Is the top menu bar visible for you now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is that session is visible? I am clicking the
Yes,
session. Is the drop menu that is coming out is visible or not? Okay.
yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah. In that session, go to set working directory. Working directory means where you see, to put it in a simple terms, no, you're working in Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Photoshop or any application, no, where your files should get stored. Okay. When opening up an opening up an application, in the application beginning itself, it will ask where your files or where your project should get stored. Okay, that browsing and keeping to the directory. Now here, set working directory, go to choose directory. Okay, here you can see the system documents, in the documents like social media or any place. If you want to save in the desktop, no, you can put it here, desktop. Okay, just wait. Data science for social science. Okay, just I am clicking here, IGSSR data, just open. If you give it as open, no, where now your directory has been set to this place. Okay, if you are doing this operation, for example, write.csv, where is that? You are exporting it to CSV, or if you are importing from CSV, importing the files, no, that you make sure that file has to be is there in that particular directory. And if you export, no, the file will get exported and stored over there. Just you can see down, see set. You see, you can see down set WD, that is work directory, is equal to documents ICSSR data. Now we see now if I am changing the directory means documents spoken big file. Okay, see now it has changed to set documents big file. So this is just where you are going to um, save your project files. Just a minute. Google. Yeah. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. We will see in the next class. You try work with this R. We will see the little bit advanced operations in the R. We will finish the basic works, and then we will go to the what you say. What are the research statistics that requires for your research study that we will try. Okay, with this R. Okay. Don't forget to mark your attendance. Mark your attendance.